This video is for our installation of our 519501 Prism pole pegger. It's a calibration device for your circle valve on your Prism pole. It's a simple device, two pieces, a bottom L bracket for your point to set into, and a top piece that's adjustable for your pole diameter to fit inside. It's designed to work with one diameter of pole ideally. You can use it for multiple diameter poles, but you will have to readjust every time. So if you do have several different diameter poles, I would recommend having different pole peggers set up on the wall parallel to each other, side by side, marked 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch. That way you will speed up your checking and calibration of those different diameter poles instead of having to readjust every time you have a different pole diameter. But it's very simple to install on a wall. Any plumb wall will work at your office, your shop, your garage, what have you. So just take a 4-foot carpenter's level and pencil mark a line on the wall. Set this at the bottom. Set this at the top about 40 inches apart. Whatever the distance is between your point and the bottom of your bubble, that's where you want to set the span on these two pieces. Mount it to the wall securely. Set your pole in the bottom. Swing your pole up until it touches the domed head screws. This is adjustable, so you can turn these until your bubble is centered. Once you get it on the wall, center your bubble with these screws. "180" your bubble. Take half of the air out back to center with the adjusting screws and half with the adjusting screws on the bubbles. Keep repeating that process back and forth until you find a point that the bubble stays perfectly in center all the way around 360 degrees. At that point, you can lock down the lock nuts. Then it will stay in calibration for that diameter pole every time. Just bring the pole in there, bring the bubble to center, 180 it to check, and you're calibrated.